Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as panoramic sunroof, heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, digital camera, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone black and blue interior here. Sorry about the rain. You're going to have the paneling cup holder storage at the bottom here, right next to your trunk release. Equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the grab handle, chrome accent handle. You're going to have these power adjustable blue heated seats with leather, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and your lighting control, and left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your trip info. You're going to have your gauges here. If you go across, you can see your music, navigation, phone connectivity, and then you got other settings as well. It's going to be push to start next to your auto stop. In here onto the infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and navigation as well. You can also access Spotify, Chevrolet, and as well as your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your mirror camera and your hitch camera. Down below, dual zone climate controls with the two huge vents, two USB ports in the middle, wireless charger pad on the bottom there. Of course, you're gonna have your RS badging on the shifter, and with your park assist, lane keep assist, and drive mode selector, and center console with an extra USB and SD card reader. Passenger side, like I said, same finish, power adjustable heated, black and blue across. It's gonna have that kind of chrome accent as well. Access to glove box, just punch that. Speakers up top here with some vents. You're gonna have your regular and then digital rear view. And here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and that panoramic sunroof. You get these 21-inch aluminum wheels on Continental cross contact tires. You're gonna have the black Blazer badging, paint match mirror caps. You're gonna have the black roof, and then the paint match keyless entry door handle, luggage side rails in the back, tinted rear glass, more of that black badging, as well as the dual exhaust, and with the power liftgate. You're gonna have 60/40 rear folding seats with LED lamps in the back here, as well as hooks and a 12-volt storage on the sides, as well as extra wheel well storage and tools down below if you know how to change a tire. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again that two-tone finish, cup holder and paneling next to the speakers, power windows and the chrome handle. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation, rear USB ports, as well as an AC well charger, some storage down below, cup holder and armrest right next to you, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again is that panoramic sunroof. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated seats, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, drive mode selector, panoramic sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.